Boat friends, take a look at the snow coming down. This is Duluth, Minnesota, 5:50 in the morning. Wanted to get out here to show you the Mark W. Barker that's heading in to load some iron ore pellets. It's first going to go over to Fraser Shipyards for a quick stop. But this is what we've been waiting for. The snow, the cold, the winter, and it's finally here. So let me start you out with marine traffic so we can see what the ship will be doing. I'll give you a sneak peek of the vessel and the weather as well. Saturday, January 6th, and we finally have the winter conditions, 30 degrees, it's snowing, visibility out on the lake, 2 miles for the captain, current wind speed southeast, 3 miles per hour. And here's the Mark W. Barker. As you can see, that boom, good-looking superstructure on the back, and this structure right here on the bow. We definitely will be checking this out as it goes by in the snow. Here's a marine traffic update. You can see the MWB approaching us right here at the aerial lift bridge. It's going to go through the harbor basin, around Rice's Point, under the Blotnick Bridge, right over here to CN Dock to load iron ore pellets, also known as taconite. What do you think, boat friends? Do you think your buddy Mike has been waiting for that snow? I made a giant Barker just in case people didn't know what ship was coming. You don't get to see that lift bridge operator out there too often, but there's one of them. He's out there, looks like, clearing the pedestrian walkway on the lakeside portion of the bridge. Check it out. That red light is illuminating on the bridge. That lets us know there's an inbound current for the MWB as it comes through. Take a look. The light changed to yellow on top of the bridge. And down there walking, that is Bill from Sparta, Wisconsin. I saw a car pulling in at 6 o'clock in the morning in the parking lot. And it ended up being Bill. He's here with his family. And his family is still in bed, but he is a boat friend and someone that's really into the ships like us. And guess what? He found his way down to the pier at 6 o'clock in the morning. Very quiet Lake Avenue, as you could imagine, around 6 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. I think the shoreline looks even better with that snow cover. You have a little bit of snow coming down. The lights look good. Beautiful. Take a look at that little dot of light in the middle of the screen. That's MWB. It's approaching. Take a look at the flags on the roof. Also look at that steam on the right. Not a lot of air movement out here right now. Clearing some snow here in Duluth. This is the first video where we've had all three colors. Take a look now. The canal current light has changed to green. See the snow and ice covered shore here on Lake Superior. Give you a quick 360 down by the green gate. Everything is covered in snow. All you see is my footprints. The canal looks pretty calm. Check it out. You have the Missouri doing about 8.7 knots in the harbor basin, and actually you can see it right here. See it moving right there? Now this is a site that really is new for this winter. You have a snowplow going across the lift bridge. There really hasn't been too many of them without the snow. Then right as the snow plow clears the bridge, boat friends, it is action time. Take a look at those cross arms coming down. Let's get ready for the MWB. It's coming. And there it goes up. It's going to go all the way up to 135 feet in a few moments. Let's take a look at that canal water. Looks very calm. Pretty favorable conditions for the captain of the MWB that's going to be coming through. You can actually see it in the distance. And let's watch for that light to turn green in the center portion of the bridge. Lets the captain know that that bridge is all the way up, and there you go. What a beautiful morning to be down here next to the ship canal. I cleared off this area so I can set my camera there as the MWB goes by. It's very calm, very peaceful with that snow coming down. Check that out. Lift bridge operator doing a little bit of shoveling over there. That's kind of cool. You can do some people watching. Check out the snow coming down that we've all been waiting for. Here's some facts about this vessel. The Mark W. Barker, 639 feet in length, built at the Bay Shipbuilding Company, launched in 2022, so this is a new ship, 2 holds, 5 hatches, 1 controllable pitch propeller, 1 flap rudder, carrying capacity is 26,000 tons, 2 Caterpillar diesel engines that push out 7,800 horsepower combined, usually has a crew about 16 to 17 individuals, and it's owned by Interlake Steamship Company. MWB is doing about 5.8 knots. Look at this beautiful vessel lighting up the sky, coming through the snow. This is exactly the type of video that when you think of Duluth, Minnesota, especially in January like right now, this is what we are talking about. Some snow coming down. Usually there would be some ice in the canal, but you know what? This is winter in Minnesota and on the Great Lakes. Check out that bow. Beautiful ship. Check it out now, boat friends. You can see that spotlight that's searching around. Just heard a crack. That is some ice that is coming off the ship. You can see the crew member on deck pushing ice off the side of the vessel. Check it out, boat friends. Got that beautiful beam of that spotlight. Take a look at the stacks. You see the visibility is reduced as it goes through that snow right there. Watch that captain making the pivot. Take a look at that. I haven't seen too many spotlights in the winter in my previous video, so this is really cool to check this out. Super modern new vessel on the Great Lakes. See that snow on the ledge. What a fun ship to record. Now, boat friends, if you enjoyed this ship, do not forget to hit the like button on the way out and also subscribe. It costs you nothing. Be part of the Boat Friends community. And also, if you're interested in any Boat Friends merchandise, go to vibewithmike.com. As always, Boat Friends, thank you so much for watching these ship videos. I'll be out here with the next vessel. If you're interested in additional videos, here's a few to choose from.